first reason that comes in your mind when people don't buy is the price. And it's not the price, because think about it, there are poor people that have Gucci bags. There are poor people that hustle for that chain, you know. And also there are people that are not poor, but they want stuff that billionaires have. So they hustle for that Rolls Royce or, I don't know, Rolex. So it's not that product, because if it was, all of these luxury companies will not be here anymore. So, okay, now let's take out other stuff that you might blame. So, traffic. It's not the traffic. Next, the economy. It's not the economy. Maybe odds. You guess it, it's not odds. Okay, so what exactly is the problem? So reason number one why people won't buy your product is they don't understand it. They don't understand your offer. One, don't understand your offer. If people are coming to your website and they are gone after 10 seconds, it's because they don't understand what you are selling. So you have 5 to 10 seconds. This means you need to have a clear message, not some, I don't know, scientific stuff with terms invented for corporations, you know. Confusion kills sales. So, confusion. Okay, let's see the next one. We need to finish it quick because you don't have attention span. I know. Second is you are selling features instead of outcomes. Selling features. For example, you sell automations, dashboard, AI dashboard, new CRM. So instead of this, you must say, save 5 hours per day. Instead of this, easy to understand, ease of doing business, blah, blah, blah. CRM, more clients. People don't care about features. They think what's in it for me. So you say, you save 5 hours a day. It's easy to do business with our AI dashboard. Our CRM bring more clients. You understand? You don't present the CRM with, we have 79 new features. No, nobody cares. They care about outcome, more clients. Okay, reason number 3 why people don't buy your product is trust. This means they don't know how your product works, so you don't show their product. Fucking X. You need to show your product works. Okay? Don't talk about it, show them. Next, you need case studies. For example, this university accredited my new sun cream because they made a test on everybody's skin, so I guess nobody died, so it's good. You know, they want to see that it's validated by a higher authority. Next, you need other people to tell them that yes, I bought that product and it's good. So back in the day, mouth-to-mouth marketing was basically the best stuff you can do, because you wouldn't have telephone marketing, I don't know, cold calling, emails, nothing. You will go door to door. So basically, word of mouth, testimonials. Okay, that's it for number 3. Pause and think about it. No trust, no sale. Remember this. Now I will clean the board because I need more space for the next point. The 4th reason: too much information. This may be from various reasons. For example, your landing page has too many buttons, options, or whatever. Your landing page is confusing. You don't have a clear message. You have too many offers, you know. No one clear message. Too many prices. Oh, should I take the $90 offer or 49 but get 3 of them? Nah, or maybe 1 year plan for 199. I don't know, I'll think about it. So when they say I'll think about it, they usually forget that you ever existed. So You need one offer, one clear offer with one price. That's it. This is the secret. Write down one clear offer, one price. That's it. And then we have number 4. Number 5. There is no urgency to buy. I can wait about 2 or 3 days, whatever. In 2 or 3 days, people will forget. No. So, how do you create urgency? Let's see. You give a reason to buy your product or service now, not today, now. Reason to buy now. You don't need to fake this. You need to actually give a good reason why they should buy it now. And that's about it. Let's recap to see when people will actually buy your product. 1. They understand your offer. Why to buy. Number 3. They have trust in you and your product that it will deliver and it will actually benefit them. Number 4. It's easy to buy it. It's clear. It's everything works perfectly. Easy. One offer, one price. Buy this now. And number 5. It's urgent. People need to think that if you don't get this offer today, you may die. God forsake. But you understand. That's it. This should be a little bit more on the right side, but I don't know. Things happen. If you want to understand better, or if you want your business to be understood better by your clients, maybe give me a message and I will make a clean whiteboard animation for you. Not like this, professional done. Cheers.